Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Apple ID. So you have an Apple ID logged into your Apple devices which you use to store your photos and contacts and different stuff to the cloud, and you want to log into that account and access those files, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Pause this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your Apple ID. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into your Apple ID is open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. The link will be available down in the description box. Once you go to appleid.apple.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll see a section labeled as Manage Your Account. Under that you'll see a section where you can enter your Apple ID. So to log into your Apple ID, go ahead and enter your Apple ID. Once you enter your Apple ID, here you'll have an option to save your Apple ID. If you want to do that, just check this box, then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Apple will ask you to enter the password to the Apple ID that you want to access. So go ahead and enter the password. Once you enter the password, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Apple will send a security code to your phone number. So go ahead and enter the security code in order to log into your Apple account. Once you enter that code, Apple will verify that code and will successfully log into your Apple account. Now you can go ahead and access the file that you want to access. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.